So the guy that hit my Civic, I called him this morning. He didn't pick up. I was hoping maybe it was because he was at work. I ended up calling him around 7 o'clock and it didn't really want to ring. And then it said that it can't complete the call. And then I sent him a text and then it said not delivered. So I knew he blocked me. Like once I sent him the shell for $500, he seemed pretty confident that he was gonna help me out. But he was just manipulating me in the end, which it is what it is. Honestly, a lot of you guys are telling me to start a GoFundMe, which would be a goal of $500. As I said, as a shell, I offered him $500 and he said he would take that.
Want some blocking or not?
I don't know, I'd say just play it safe, you know? Yes, sir. That's back. Yeah, we checked out the panels, so they've rolled the fenders, but the body panels are pretty straight. I just got the gas tank on the other side. We got a slight little scuff right here. It's basically as straight as we can get for, you know, 500 bucks on a Civic. We're gonna start loading up the hatch now. We got it all on tires, and so it should roll on easy, hopefully. Or don't want to jinx it.
Time changed, we're different, but my mind still says redundant.
Yeah, we're not having the best of luck right now. Man, hopefully we're feeling strong today. We planned to just use this winch. It was kind of a ghetto winch, but now the ghetto doesn't even work. Hell yeah, we got it on the trailer. Don't need no winch. Hey, you guys are awesome. I love my Honda boys. Yeah, we're gonna have to start strapping it up, but we should be getting out of here soon. So, yeah, got us money.
Going crazy, straight up ahead, you'll find us.
I like how he works, you know, he makes it happen. We're all done loading up the hatch. We got a 1.8 turbo Audi over here. He's gonna give us some two-step. No, have a good time while we're here. And this one's yours, or?
Yeah, that one right there.
Oh shit! That's this guy right here. Damn, bro. That's dope.
We got it diamonds.
Oh shit!
I would say like around like
Yo, that thing is going crazy, bro. Fire. Even got the Mercedes diesel over here, bro. Want to get a few shots of this. He said $500,000. Bro, 478K. 478K. This interior's mint, bro. 5-cylinder diesel, bro. Inline 5? What the fuck? Yeah! That's crazy. One windshield wiper, bro. What? Going up and down, bro. That's crazy, bro. 38 miles a gallon. Diesel 5-cylinder. Most unique windshield wiper. I think I need one of these. So much, bro. Like, awesome. Seriously helping me out more than you know. So, yeah, we're gonna get on the road, and thank you guys so much for helping me out and you know, giving me this deal, because like this is helping me out more than you know, bro. Yeah. So definitely gonna give you a shout out on the YouTube for sure if you want, Instagram or anything like that. So I want to give a big shout out to all the people who donated money to help me get this car for the rebuild. Shout out to Logan Casey, who's actually a local here in my town, who helped me out donating $150. Tyron Keek on TikTok donated me $10, so shout out to you. Jensen, a big supporter of mine on Instagram, donated $25, so another big shout out to you. We had Art on Instagram who donated $25. Thank you. We had Zaman Sai on Instagram who donated $15. A big thanks to you as well. And of course, last but not least, we have my friend Will who matched me around $250 to be able to afford the $500 shell. So big shout out to all you guys and big thanks to my friend Will. I love all you guys and thank you guys for supporting me. So let's keep it moving. Just a big shout out to all these guys helping out and let's get this rebuild going.